Market capitalization is usually used to rank cryptocurrencies, and for good reason. The value of a cryptocurrency is a direct reflection of how hungry investors are for it. But each cryptocurrency has a more complicated story behind the numbers. Before we begin our countdown of 5 most popular cryptocurrencies, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Number 5. BNB. BNB is the native token of Binance, which is one of the most popular places to buy, sell, and move cryptocurrency. BNB can be used to pay fees on the Binance platform. Most of the time, these fees are less than if you paid them in another currency. It can also be used on the Binance platform to buy other cryptocurrencies. Number 4. USD Coin. Circle and Coinbase made USD Coin, which is a stable coin. It has the same value as a US dollar and can be bought on Coinbase. USD Coin is used in the same way as Tether to keep other cryptocurrencies stable. Because it is available on Coinbase, it is one of the more accessible stablecoins. Coinbase is one of the most popular places to buy, sell, and send cryptocurrency because it is easy to use. Number 3. Tether. Tether is a stable coin that is tied to the US dollar. Now, it is the third largest cryptocurrency and one of the most popular stablecoins. Tether is mostly used to tether or keep other cryptocurrencies stable. When the crypto market changes a lot, investors often move their money into USDT, so they don't lose as much money. This helps keep the market stable and gives people a way to buy cryptocurrencies when their prices are low and sell them when they are high. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum was created in 2015 and quickly rose to become the second largest cryptocurrency. It is very different from Bitcoin and was made for a different purpose. It is now used for a wide range of interesting decentralized apps. Smart contracts run on Ethereum, which is a decentralized platform. On top of Ethereum's blockchain, these are applications that can be built. These contracts are programs that run exactly as they were designed to without any chance of fraud or interference from a third party. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency and is still the most well-known. It was made in 2009 and is the biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization right now. Bitcoin is the most common cryptocurrency that people use, and it works like regular money. A lot of stores will take Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be used to buy a lot of things online. So that's it for today. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for latest updates.